Welcome. Ever wondered what the cloud really means? We're breaking down the essentials of cloud computing today. Let's start with a simple introduction to this powerful technology that drives so much of our digital world. If you enjoy this content and find it helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with others who might be interested. At its core, cloud computing is technology that allows you to store data, run applications, and access services entirely over the internet, not just on your local hard drive. This is a huge contrast to traditional methods, where you rely on a local computer or hard drive. The cloud shifts everything online, making physical location less relevant. Why has cloud computing become so essential? Let's look at the key benefits it offers users and businesses. One major benefit is flexibility. You can easily choose the computing resources you need, when you need them, and often only pay for what you actually use. Scalability is another huge advantage. Cloud resources can rapidly expand or shrink to handle changing demands, meaning you're never constrained by your physical hardware. Finally, the cloud provides easy accessibility. You can access your data and services from virtually any device, anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. Cloud computing might seem abstract, but you use cloud services every single day. Let's look at some common examples. Think about file storage services like Google Drive and Dropbox. These are classic examples of the cloud, enabling you to store and access files from multiple devices without manual synchronization. Beyond file storage, the cloud provides powerful infrastructure for businesses, categorized as Infrastructure, Platform and Software as a Service, or IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. From streaming video to email and mobile apps, the cloud is quietly powering many of the services you use every moment of your day. To wrap up, let's summarize the immense impact of cloud technology. The cloud fundamentally enables modern work and connectivity by providing flexible and accessible digital resources on a global scale. As technology advances, the cloud will continue to be the backbone for innovation, from AI to the Internet of Things. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe for more educational content.